Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very yummy snack with potatoes. If you have boiled potatoes, you can do this within 10 minutes and it will taste so good. For the recipe, you need around 4 to 5 cooked potatoes. You have to peel the skin and mash them. Try to mash them well, no lump should be there. So our mashed potatoes are ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. To this add 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of chili powder, required amount of salt and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Now we are going to knead this into a soft dough. Finally, the dough has to be like this. I don't want this to get dry, so I am going to coat this with a teaspoon of groundnut oil. And this is the pure, healthy and aromatic Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. For shaping the dough, you can use a piping bag or a plastic cover. Fill this half with the dough. Give a small cut on one side. Now this is ready to be piped. I'm going to give this a spiral shape. This dough won't be much sticky, so if you want you can use a spatula like this or you can directly shape it on a plate. Now we are going to fry the shaped dough. For frying I am going to use Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once oil is hot enough for frying, you can drop the spirals gently. We are going to cook this in medium flame until this turns crispy. One side is ready, let us flip this. This is golden brown now, let us take it out. Put this on a tissue paper so that all the oil will get absorbed. And now this is ready to be served. You can serve this with some tomato sauce. Do give a try. This will be very crispy and will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.